Okay guys, I've been getting a ton of questions on FFL, so now I'm going to tell you where to get all your answers. Okay guys, so I have a gajillion videos on different FFLs. I do have mine right here, right there. So I have tons of videos on different FFLs. Please go look at my FFL playlist. I'll put a link into that below and it'll answer 99% of your questions. Now, if you have more questions than what I can answer, this is the source that you're gonna have to go to. Okay guys, so you're gonna come to this website, which is the local ATF offices, and then you're gonna search for wherever you're from. So let's go Boise, Idaho. I was there earlier this year. It's like a gajillion miles away from where I live. Anyway, so if you live in Boise, now you can look, look, there's one right there. You could probably actually go visit them in person. How about that? But if they're further away, just call that phone number and then give them any of your questions and they'll answer them or put you in contact with somebody who can answer any questions you may have about FFLs if none of my playlists helped you. Okay, not good enough. You can go to this ATF field divisions and then pick where you live. So let's say you live up here in like New Hampshire or something like that. You're in part of the Boston Field Division, and then look, division contact information. How about that? So you got there, you got a voice, you got an email, and look, these guys even have a Twitter account. How about that? Go give them thumbs down on everything they do. Anyway, so you can shoot them an email and say, hey, I got a question about this, and they will put you in contact with whoever you need to get answers to your FFL question. It's straight from the horse's mouth. Even better than for me or your buddy who once had an FFL, go directly to the source. So I hope that answered any questions you may still have about FFLs. If you've watched all my FFLs videos, you probably shouldn't have very many questions, but I'm sure there are things that I missed because people still ask me questions of things that I didn't think of or that are really nuanced that I'm not qualified to answer anyway, in which case go and ask the ATF directly. Anyways, you enter the comments, or if you're an FFL and have any thoughts on it, put it in the comment section below. Thanks guys. Go!